opponents in 43 minutes.
Aviation. Well, this is Ivan Scott's department. Were you at the Aeronautical Society's garden party, Scotty?
I was, and a very good show it proved, with plenty of everything on the free list. Mr. and Mrs. Handley Page received the guests.
The idea is that he may take the place of Hendon Pageant.
Eventually, but of course at present it's only for invited guests. Among them was Amy Johnson, who gave an impressive display of gliding. A lot of old stages were on view, the De Poussin, for instance, and the 1909 Blériot pre-channel model. The Sopwith Pup is a war veteran of 1916, and by way of contrast, some of the very latest Royal Air Force prototypes were exhibited, including the geodetic Wellington bomber. The flying boat Calpurnia gave a wonderful demonstration flying low over the heads of the spectators, rounding off a very enjoyable day. Another aviation picture with more than a passing interest is this preview of